I like giving more than what's asked. So last night, this is my skin. I just took a shower. Last night, I took this speculum. It's from Luxel and it's really good. So it's infused with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, centella extract, which I am obsessed with. And it just really helps with the hydration of the skin. So my skin is already like that. I'm a little red because of the shower. Two things that I love about these, it both has centella, and I love centella because I get hives all the time. Although I already used my 24K Gold, which I am obsessed with, and we have restocked because this, is the best. But I can put more. Yes, sis, how are you?
I'm good.
Are you good?
How's the sleep? How's your sleep?
Wow, my God. Sobrang intense. Tulog. Ikaw? Pero ang aga ko nagising pero nilaban na.
Nagising ako ng 2.
Yes, ako...
So, mga 30 minutes.
Ay, hindi. Oh.
30 minutes akong mulat. Tapos, nagising ulit ako ng 3:45. Tapos, konting siguro mga 30 minutes pa ulit. Pilit ko ulit kumikit. Nagising na ako ng 5:45 kasi naka-alarm ako 6 a.m.
Grabe. Ako, nagising ako ng 1:30 pa nga. Pero, hindi ko tinignan yung telepono ko. Dinedma ko. Si Tin lang nagsabi sa akin. Tapos, nagising ulit ako ng 4. Dinedma ko. Pero, nagpa-pray na sa akin yung mga kailangan kong gawin today. So, wala na. Too late the hero na ako. Nagising na ako ng mga 4:45. So, I had my brows, what's that? Laminated. And it's super cool, but I don't suggest you do it all the time because I feel like it's not good too. But this is like with no brow gel. It's really good. So very first, we're going to put my centella. Ay, sis, kain muna kayo. Sinong gusto kumain sa baba?
Si Ate Marie na mauna. Ako later kasi
No.
Nag-light na ako.
Light what? Nag-grocery na ba kayo?
Hindi, nag-grocery tayo kapon, diba?
You see that? It's red.
Ako.
I'm gonna put that. Ako, dito na lang kakain. Sila Isa ba? Nakaland na?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa?
Mga yun. Parang same sa atin, mga 9. Ganun.
Okay. So, centella is the best. And thank you so much. This is available on TikTok. Also, Luxel, teka lang na din. Guys, parang nandito na yung breakfast ko. Gutom na gutom. Okay, I'm gonna very, very fast put this is my favorite. Like, it's also a sunblock. Again, there's a glow up, so FYI. But you can mix it with different tints. But for me, medyo sumak siya. So, if you're going for that whole vampire vibe, which I love the vampire vibe, this is for you. And it's kind of matte, so mixed with the sun serum, perfect na siya. You still get that like very skin. Parang kakain muna ako, sis.
Yes, at saka yung orange juice, dear, kulay red.
Baka iba yung, what do you call
Because
that?
the orange came from Sicily, kaya kulay sili siya.
Oh my God. Totoo ba?
Oh, it's color red.
Kape muna. From Sicily.
From Sicily.
Okay lang, ako na doon din. Ako na
That's
pupunta.
why it's color
Ika-cut ko na to kasi
red bell pepper.
this is what I... Thank you so much. Thanks so much. Hindi ko na muna siya pag-uusapan kasi medyo Freddy Aguilar. Recovering, pero tuloy ang trabaho. So that's the effect of the milk glow. Did you see the glow? It's insane. And I started to use this long time ago, but religiously, I hardly put foundation. I just put foundation in some areas, pero it's really nakaka-glow. But I use a brush because you want to even it out, or else dyan tayo magkakaleche-leche pag hindi even. I'm telling you. Yan. Wait. It's the best. And then just brush the kineme. I'm so distracted with the food, people. Can I come back? No, I don't attend Gucci show. What else? Fasting tips. I usually fast. I just have lunch, like late lunch. But the thing is, since I'm going to be busy today, I'm going to take my protein already. So I do a lot of like protein, egg. I also do blueberries, bone broth and stuff like that. But I won't be able to do my bone broth now. So, yun na muna. But people of the world, I think I gotta go. I'm so sorry, nakakabitin to, pero talagang Tommy Hilfiger na ako. So, I'm gonna be going. No, I don't have Diesel. I do have Jill Sander. So, how often do you change your brushes? Not very often. A lot of my brushes are from when I was young. I have my Lucky brushes. I have different ones. But I think I had like a revamp of my brushes 4 years ago. This one has been with me for a long time. This is MAC. Some I've had when I even started, but I just really take care of it.
Depends.
Brow brush, this is Dior. And then I also have like the disposable one. Habang nag-i-eat, you chika. I can't. Minsan na nga lang kumain ng todo tapos chichika pa ako. Syempre nanamnamin ko. That's the thing that I've learned. I don't want to be in a rush. I gotta eat properly, chew my food. I gotta live through the moments because you never know when time's up. So I'm gonna excuse myself, people of the world. I'm gonna eat a little bit, then I'm gonna come back later if that's fine with you. Anyway, maaga pa dyan. Thank you so much. I'll come back later for the makeup and stuff like that. Okay, bye.